Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to list global packages for Node.js that we have installed. We can use npm and list command and dash global and just hit enter. And here is the output. We can scroll up so we can see some, and you can see the output is very verbose. We can change that with the depth set to 0 option. First I'm going to clear the screen and then I run our command. Now this time we can use npm list and g for global and depth is set to 0. There's a e missing over here and just hit enter. And you can see this is much better and easy to read. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.